Okay guys, we're back with a brand new product. This time we're checking out the Wacom MovinkPad Pro. This is an evaluation that they sent us to get an idea about their 14-inch brand new smart tablet that operates all on its own, but still gives you the amazing quality and use of a Movink, but still gives you a quality and powerful Wacom drawing tablet ability at the same time. Let's open this up.
Okay. Snug. So inside here, we clearly have the actual tablet. The protective sleeve is very snug. Comes with a really cool cover case to keep the screen protected, and that just pops off at the bottom here if you don't want to have the cover case. So it magnetically connects, really nice. As for accessories, we have your Wacom 3 stylus. Really nice. A little manual here. Little guide. And that appears to be it. Oh, spoke too soon. Here's your power cord and an SD card mover kit. The power cord they give you is a USB-C to USB-C. Nice. Let's see if they gave it to us a little bit of charge. Right there. So this is powered with an Android 15 operating system. It utilizes a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, has 12 gigabytes of RAM, and a built-in 256 gigabytes of storage with an expandable micro SD slot. On top of that, it is utilizing the premium textured glass, which is anti-reflection, anti-glare, anti-fingerprint, which is pretty solid. So as it stands, it is a fully operational tablet on its own. It does not require an additional computer, and you can draw directly on it immediately. Of course, the pen that you get with it is the Wacom 3 pen, which is the most impressive pen from Wacom at this current time. The Wacom 3 pen utilizes 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's battery proof. It doesn't require any batteries to charge it, and it's really good to go. It's just a really solid pen, and you can get so many levels of pressure from it with just the stroke of the hand, which is just pretty impressive. But it's incredibly easy to utilize and use as a standalone tablet. Wow. I love the pressure sensitivity. but I've always been a huge fan of the Wacom 3 pen, and it's just very light, very easy. They do sell accessories that allows you to put additional weight if you want into the pen. You can just replace this unit with the actual weight, but this one here has the nibs on the back end, so you can actually install and replace them if you do want to try the other versions of nibs that are available from Wacom. You can also swap out with accessories that are available online for the plate here for the buttons. But it's just a really awesome unit. You do have a full Play Store, so you can download a lot of different apps to run with it. In fact, you can even run YouTube on it if you want, or just use it as a regular tablet with messages, Gmail, and similar mentalities.
So I'm going to hand this over to an actual artist that's a lot better than I am and see how well they do with it. We'll be right back. So they fell in love with the tablet. They say that it's got all the amazing visual capabilities and the power of the Wacom 3 pen interacting with the device, of that of the Movink that was released before, but all with the same features of an actual tablet. So being able to have all that together as one device is pretty impressive. Now, I believe they're still planning on releasing dual screen support, so you can use this as a secondary screen for your computer as well, while still using it as a standalone device whenever you're not anywhere near your computer, which is pretty awesome. I can't wait to actually see that. But this unit is pretty impressive, I have to say. Again, I'm a huge fan of the Wacom 3 pen. All those levels of pressure, the ability to really get the most out of your drawings is really awesome. Now, hopefully, if you're looking for a tablet or you really like drawing, this is going to be a great option for you, and hopefully you guys pick this up. We'll see you guys in our next video.